All right, everybody, good evening. Happy Tuesday night. Gold has been holding up on VWAP. It looks like it might finally be cracking to the downside. I've been looking for a short on gold since we had this bounce, and I'm kind of excited that we're starting to crack here, but it's not cracking very fast, so we'll see what we get. Everybody's probably looking to buy gold. Hey, Ray. Hey, Tony. AJ. Welcome to the evening stream. The Night Owls. Let's see what types of beauty we get tonight. I'm looking for a short crack of this crack here. It's just so slow tonight. Ray is a Canadian. But you're still Canadian. He didn't ask if you were any Canadians that have gotten payouts. He just wanted to know if there's any Canadians in the group. She is closer than she thinks. Feel like we can bleed from here. We still have to crack lower. This is not good enough. Awesome. What did you spot? What did you find out? For gold, the key level to crack is going to be 33.7. And we're coming right up to it. There it goes. It's got a crack here. This is the level. Went right to it, to the tick. This doesn't crack. We have nothing. We have another long. Ah, there they are. Crazy. 7 a.m. Let's see what happens. Buyer step in. Continuation down. What is it going to be? Looks like buyers so far. Low volume node on the profile. So if we go back to, I don't know, 11. Right here, see it? Actually, I gotta make sure you can see it. We're back down to it. It was that level. Let's go short. We're cracking. There it goes. Let's go. 2 gold short. I'll take one off right here. Thank you very much. Come on. Feel me? Come on. Bastard. Let's go. Fill it. Yo. We have a ledge right here. Ah. Can we just get a little continuation for once? That's so much to ask. All the continuation was this morning. Man, if you were short gold, you were printing money. This is craziness. It's illiquid nonsense here. It was a capitulation too. I would like to see more downside, please. Still holding. Here goes. Dude, I got an order right there. I'm going to actually place it a little higher because it doesn't want to seem to fill me. Unbelievable. You just got here, right? We just started. This is nonsense. Nonsense, I tell you. All right, filled one. Keep it going. Now I'm trying to get back to this point of control here. Yeah, you Edmonton people, you got a good hockey team. You guys got that going on for you. Anything else? Maple syrup? Wood, lumber? Tony, am I going to get this or what? Damn. I'll put my stop at break even. I refuse to take a loser on this trade now. So, I'm sorry to hear that, LJ. That's terrible. I'll just get filled on this, I guess. If I can. Yeah, I'm really sorry to hear that. I've had a bad couple of days myself. Not in trading, but in life. We put our cat down yesterday. Had this cat for 13 years. Love that cat. No, no, Bob. I am still in a short here on gold. And man, the liquidity is so bad. It's so thin. It's awful. Oh, NQ short looks like the way to go. Do we go long gold now? What are we doing here? I guess if it reclaims VWAP, this seems like a back test of VWAP. Or are we just chopping around in this nonsense here? So, right? I should be short NQ. Gold's being very finical. Hey, Bob, what's your expert gold analysis here? All right. Anything going on here? They're probably loading up long because I'm short. Just waiting. Just waiting. Can't get any continuation on gold. Yes is only down spot 0.03. Do we think gold is done with its sell-off? Look at that. It's a big red candle. Back to VWAP. Gold is just chopping around this Globex VWAP so far. What if we do this? Short the pops. It was so annoying. SK, what is that? Saskatchewan? It's very pretty in Saskatchewan. Well, I would imagine you like the cold if you live in Saskatchewan. Otherwise, why would you live there? Well, I used to live in Buffalo, New York, so I am no stranger to cold conditions. Not even a little bit. Let's go. Let's get the next big move down. I'd prefer gold go to Hades. Anybody else want gold to go to Hades? I would like to see it. Ice fishing. That sounds like fun. I'm still short gold. I'm up like 10 ticks, which is nothing. Hey, Oxter. We should do a giveaway because Oxter's here. Yeah, we traded the VWAP bounce, the monthly VWAP bounce. Let's go, baby. Come on. Print me. Yes. Not bad in a 50K XFA. Not bad at all. I had a pretty good short. I had two good shorts on it. Yeah. Things are very slow. I mean, I was positioned waiting for something to happen. I like short. Trading in the bands. Couldn't break above this level, 41. Balance market. Look good. If you were patient. I mean, you can only do 4,500 even in the combine. You know, everybody was having fun without me, Oxter. So I decided I needed to get involved in this. The crypto stream was not popular. So we abandoned the crypto. So we're staying entirely 100% futures focused. Well, the problem is by actual China Open, I'm like ready to get into bed. So I'm kind of like the pre. I'm like the hype man. I get everybody all excited to trade China, and then I go to bed and you all trade it. So I'm like I'm here to get you primed. Nice, Jeff. Just passed the second combine. Natural traders strategy is excellent. Really, anytime. Asia is fine. Absolutely. Yeah, absolutely. Hey, Allie. That's a cumulative volume delta indicator. Oscillator. On gold? I would say down on gold. We're very weak. I'd be very cautious about buying this. Let's see what NQ is doing. You know, we broke below weekly VWAP again. We've been chopping around weekly VWAP all day. Actually, since this morning, since the open. So we nailed a couple of great trades on stream. Look at this monthly lower band, monthly upper band, long. It was epic. And then we grabbed this one on stream, guys. You gold traders, you're going to love this. Guess where we longed on stream? Monthly VWAP. Look at that. A lot of people got stopped out, but we got back in because it was quite the flush. It was super aggressive. Then we got back in. It's like a 500 tick rally in like 20 minutes. It was awesome. So we caught that one on stream. Hey, Ramiro. Then we came and we retested it again twice. It held. Are we going to go back to it again? I didn't catch all 50 points, no. That's not my style. I'm more of a scalper. You guys know that. But I did catch it. I don't remember how much I caught it for. It was probably more like 10 points. We'll do a giveaway at 7:40. Look at that PDC short. To the tick. I mean, I trade when NQ is not doing what I like it to be doing, or there's a great setup on gold. I'm mostly trading NQ. So I do actually. NQ is my top, as you guys know. I'm an NQ specialist. Do quite well on NQ. All right, we going long NQ now? This is weekly VWAP. There it goes. Nice. I just nailed that long on NQ. So I think I'm going to stop out here because this is pretty good for next FA for me. A 50K anyway. I usually shoot for 500 bucks. You heard giveaway. We'll do it around 740. I'm going to lock out of this. You heard right. So what is that? Maybe I'll hit a payout by Friday. I'll do 4K and I'll take out 2. Oh. Maybe it's a little aggressive. No, they're not giving out free XFAs. They're giving out a reset. They're giving out a reset on a combine and then a 40%. What? Where do you see that? I got the email. It said a combine. Do you think if we introduce order flow to our trading strategy, we can avoid some losses? Well, I don't want to, I mean, the answer to that is I don't want to just say, yeah, you could, I mean, that's not the point. The point of trading is to make money, right? Losing is a part of trading, right? You have to learn to lose. You have to. If you don't like losing, I get it. What? That's fucked up. I traded top 1. I didn't trade top step. I made money in top 1 and they erased all of it. So hey Alex, were you trading in a express funded account? It looks like only people that had positive balance in their XFA got it. Oh, he did. Nice. So I'm going to be on Prop Firm Match TV tomorrow, guys, if anybody wants to join at our normal streaming time. Put up. The one and only. We'll be going live at 9:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. We use it as a layer of confirmation, Neil. So Globex VWAP, weekly and monthly. Yeah, I've been on a really good run, Oxtra. I did blow an account, an XFA. I had like 5,500 bucks in on Tuesday of last week. But outside of that, I've been having a really good couple of weeks. Really, really good. Okay, what's next? It was a nice VWAP bounce short, JP. Nice one on NQ. What's gold doing? Oh, gold's recovering. It's coming out of that failed breakdown. You watch your filthy mouth, Bob Burner. That was a great. You still holding that, JP? Well, right back down to lows. Nice one. Yeah, you can use regular trading hours from the previous session now. So you'll keep the New York on the screen or keep an eye on it. And you'll see the lower band of the New York has been what is my confirmation when I take a trade? Well, generally I don't always, I look for real-time confirmation in terms of the DOM or the cumulative delta or tick strike. But generally, if I see a good setup and location I want to get in, I go for it. I take the trade. You might be taking a loss because of your execution or your trade management. It's not always the trade setup or location that doesn't work. Oftentimes people don't know how to execute properly or manage the trade properly. So you could turn winning setups into losing trades or winning price levels. They don't always play off to the tick. Bob, I'm speaking at a conference in Tampa in May. You should come. It's a futures conference. Well, it was probably too expensive to hold the conference in Florida in January, February. My pool would get filled very quickly. I do have a nice pool though. Coconut palm trees and birds of paradise. I got banana trees, mangoes, lots of palm trees. So we're still holding New York VWAP lower band here on NQ. Which one? This one is VWAP. VWAP bounce short. This one is New York VWAP lower band. Would look like a scene from Caddyshack. I love Caddyshack. This has been one of our busier nighttime streams. Looks like we're getting some momentum. Getting a little busier. People are starting to catch on to the Asia stream. Nice. Michael, welcome from Australia. Good to have you. We're going to be doing a giveaway here in a couple minutes, guys. We're going to give away a Apex Trader Funding account. Any size evaluation you want. You want a 250K evaluation? You got it. Well, top one has instant funded accounts. That's a pro. I hear their customer service is really good too compared to Stop Step. They're much more attentive, probably because they're not as big. I think you could have 17. No, I forget how many you could have in the. Man, I bet everybody thought we were going to tag all-time highs today. And we did not. What a bull trap so far. We're still kind of just flagging. We could probably do it tomorrow. So there's no rules on Apex when it comes to the evaluation. Once you're in the PA, the performance account, you can't risk more than 30% of your drawdown on any trade. Oh man. Excellent, Fredo. Yeah, just keep practicing, keep working it, journaling, keeping track of your behaviors and your trades, and things will get better. What's up, Wagme? How are you tonight? Desert boy or dessert boy? Yeah, trailing drawdown sucks. Oh yeah, that's the other drawback of Apex, the trailing drawdown. Also, Take Profit Trader has the trailing drawdown. I think Tony's a big fan of Take Profit. Hey, Tim. Welcome to the evening. It's not that evening for you. It's only 4:40 for you. It's almost 8 o'clock here. Just crushed me some XFA action. These guys watched me crush some gold. What did I do on gold, you ask? Well, I'll tell you. Is that true, JP? I didn't know that. Any firm that pays, I agree with you, Tony. I'm not hating on Take Profit Trader. Not hating whatsoever. I think they're a great firm. I think their back end needs a little updating, but aside from that, it's a little prehistoric at this point. Same with Apex. Comparatively to what Tradeify has and Top One, Top Step, they have all these really beautiful back ends that are instant and just beautiful, easy. All right, guys, we're going to do an Apex Trader Funding giveaway. Who's excited? If you haven't gone over to the YouTube channel, guys, be sure to head over there and give me a like on the video. So I'm going to say a word. And the word is not word. Once I say the word, you're going to put the word in the chat. All right, once you do so, you'll be entered randomly to win a Apex Trader Funding account, any size of your choosing. You want a 50K? It's yours. You want a 200? You want a 300K account? It's yours. Any size account. So I'm going to say the word. You're going to put it in the chat. and that's going to give you a chance to win. ChatGPT is going to make a list of all the users that say the word, and then someone's going to get picked randomly. Okay. You don't have to spam the chat. Once will do it. Right? Just one time in the chat would do it. All right, everybody ready? The word of the day, and for those of you who aren't good spellers, after such a big down day in gold, today's word is going to be bouillon. Bouillon. The word is bouillon. Let's see who spells it right. Bouillon. You don't have to spell it right. Don't worry. Bouillon. For those of you who are not familiar, bouillon is high quality gold. Bouillon. All right. You guys got a minute to put the word, it's bouillon. You can see everybody else typing it. Bouillon. That's my best French impression, by the way. And if I don't go ha ha ha, then it definitely doesn't sound French. All right, guys. I'm going to take everybody. We're doing a giveaway. User at random. Everyone has an equal chance. Okay. All right, you got a couple more seconds to get your words in, guys. No, caps don't matter. In fact, the word doesn't really even matter that much. The word is just fun. I just need to create a transcript of everybody who is entered into it. You guys ready? Okay. Drum roll, please. The winner. Oxter. Holy smokes. Oxter actually won. Oh, man, that's awesome. Yeah. That's awesome. Really happy for you, Akshay. That's a big deal because he's the one that always wants to do giveaways. He always tries to show up for them, and he finally won. So now I grabbed YouTube too, Ali. Everybody was in that, not just Discord. All right, Oxter, just shoot me a DM, and we'll get that over to you. Congratulations. I'm really happy you won. Oh yeah, that was a nice sell-off on gold, huh? Did you look at that? Would you look at that? Do we get more downside? It sure looks like it. Tempting. Man, look at it go. More downside? I'm short my Apex account now. Oh, yeah. Oh, man. Excelente. So I hit profit target. Look at that, man. Let's go. That was a thing of beauty right there. The move was on. Javier, that's my so I just did that in my my Apex account too. So this is up to 54,360. This account's actually ready for a payout again. I just got to trade a couple more days, I think. Good Spanish. Muy bien. Let's see here. And I'm really happy that Oxter won. That was really cool. Okay. Man, that was a spill out in gold. I was waiting forever for that move. You got to be super patient with gold, don't you? When the moves come, they come. You got to be ready. Of course it was, Michael. The move I'm waiting for all evening happens when I'm distracted. It's all right. I caught some really good trades, and I did catch part of the short in my Apex account afterwards. So I hit profit target in both those accounts. So I don't have to trade them tomorrow. I can focus on my top one tomorrow in my cash account. Nice, Michael. Yeah, I'm feeling a little better than this morning. Yeah. For those of you who don't know, I lost my cat yesterday. I love this cat. He was in heart failure, had cancer, so we had to put him down yesterday. It was kind of unexpected, but he was having trouble breathing, so we made the decision to say goodbye. And it was awful. We put him to sleep while we were holding him and saying goodbye to him. It's very sad. So I was kind of I didn't sleep last night because of it. Here's monthly VWAP. This is a key level, guys. This is a level we've held multiple times before. I would expect some buyers to step in here. We'll see what happens. Yeah, so I didn't sleep and I was kind of, I was a little more risk averse this morning on stream. I think I talked some people out of some good trades, so I feel bad about that. But I was very conservative trading today because of it. Thank you, Lita. I appreciate that. Not an easy decision to make, but one that needed to be made. Ah, sorry, Chris. Yeah, we did our dog almost a year ago. So now we are completely petless. Maybe this Christmas we do something special. Bring a new fur baby into the house. Interesting to see what happens here. This is monthly VWAP. Yeah, there it goes. Anybody catch that? That was 50 ticks right there. Played off very nice. Barely ran against you if you bought at the VWAP. Oh, there it goes. You could have caught it though, pretty quick. In and out. For 120. Yeah. We had a big seller up here at 70. At 140. I was watching that. There it goes. All right, guys. Well, it was nice trading with you tonight. Congratulations to Oxter with your new account. I'm sure you guys are going to head on over to the Gold Trading Lounge. If you're going to keep on trading, manage your risk. Mine is at 110. 4110. On the 1 minute. Yeah, 48's way up here. That's very far. Thanks, Fredo. All right, appreciate it, everybody. Have a wonderful night. Thanks for joining me this evening. If you're going to keep on trading, manage your risk, stay sharp. Premium Discord members can head on over to the Gold Trading Room. Keep trading, share your screens, share your mics, collaborate with your other VWAP Wave System traders, and make it a great night. I'll see everybody else tomorrow morning. I'll be on Prop Firm Match TV at 9:30 a.m. So come join me over there on YouTube, and then we'll move back to the Discord when that's over. Have a wonderful night, everybody. Thanks again.